Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and today we are crafting my stash and we are doing Valentine's DIY. I'll begin by giving 2 coats with this linen white chalk paint and I am going to be painting only half. The other half, once this is completely dry, I have this peel and stick that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. Over the summer they came out with new patterns and this one blew me away. And of course I couldn't buy only one, I purchased several. So I peeled it and stick it on the wood round, and now with my X-Acto knife I'm just gonna go ahead and eliminate the excess paper. And then the rest I'll just go ahead and sand it off. And then this word home, I'm gonna go ahead and use the sage chalk paint and I'll give it 1 coat. Now that is completely dry, I came in with some hot glue and I'm going to be gluing it right on top of the word round, and this is going to turn out so beautiful. I'm going to be hanging this on my wall. These 2 ribbons, I am in love. I'm going to go ahead and create a simple bow, and with this jute cord I'm going to be tying it in the middle. This burlap ribbon has a wire on both of these corners, so I'm just going to go ahead and eliminate it, and then I'm going to go ahead and fray it. I'm going to cut it to size, and this is going to be going in the middle of the bowl. This is going to turn out so absolutely gorgeous. Just stay tuned and watch. And now this, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it in the middle with some hot glue, and look at how gorgeous this looks. I love this bowl. And then off camera, I went and I took a little bitty heart. I painted it with the linen white chalk paint and I glue it right in the middle of this bowl. Once I cut the excess ribbon, then I'm gonna fluff it up, and then with more hot glue I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on that wood round. This is so pretty. I am so sorry, but I'm so excited about this wood round. Look at these beautiful flowers. These flowers, I purchased them at a grab bag and they are from Michael's. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut 4 branches, and then I'm going to be gluing them under the bowl along with other flowers and a heart. My dear friends, as you know, this is an open collaboration held every 3rd Saturday of each month. This time we have made a special change and are hosted this Sunday. I am thrilled to be hosting along with my dear friend Loli from Loli's Creation, and I am honored to introduce our guest host, Lady Ray Crafting with Kate. I'll leave in the description box the links directly to both of these talented creators along with a playlist down in the description box. Make sure to go ahead and visit them and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channel. And with the same exact ribbon, I'm creating a hook and I'm going to go ahead and fold it in 3. Once I fold it in 3, of course, I'm going to tuck it in with some hot glue, glue it in the back, and this will be it. I am hoping that you enjoyed this project, and if you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you would do different. And remember that when you give me that big thumbs up, it truly does help my channel. Thank you so much, and here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. For our next project, I have this platter that I purchased at Dollar General for half off. I am going to be giving it 3 coats with this Waverly chalk paint, and the color is plaid. And I will only be painting the inside. Over the summer, I purchased a whole box of wood rounds, and I'm going to use for the legs 4 of them. I'm going to be painting them with this linen white chalk paint. Once all of them are completely done and dry, then I came in with, of course, hot glue, and I'm going to be gluing them on all 4 corners. And now using the same white linen chalk paint, I'm going to go ahead and take one of these hearts and I'm going to use it as stencil. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and dab the entire heart. Watch how it's going to turn out. Absolutely gorgeous. And now it's time to go ahead and remove it. And look at how beautiful. It turned out beautiful, just as I expected. With this baker's twine, I'm going to go ahead and wrap both of these handles. Once done, I'm going to go ahead and tuck it in with a little bit of hot glue. And then of course, I should have done this before I placed in this baker's twine, but I came in with some Mod Podge and I'm sealing it in. Once it was nice and dry, then I went on and I decorated the way that I liked it. And here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. Some time ago, I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked these canvas up. I took them home along with these jingle blocks, and now I'm going to go ahead and create a frame. I'm adding some tacky glue around the frame, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the jingle blocks on all 4 corners. Once done, then I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side so it could go ahead and adhere. And I have a piece of this wallpaper from the first project left over, and I cut it in an angle. I'll be peeling it and placing it right on top of the canvas. Once that is done, then I came in with the tacky glue, and I'm going to be doing the same thing as the first one. I'm going to put glue on 4 corners, and then I'm going to be adding the jingle blocks. Now it's time to go ahead and distress the jingle blocks. I am going to be doing the same thing to both of the frames, and I'm going to be using the linen white chalk paint. And from the bottom of my stash, these hearts, I am going to be placing them right on top of this one frame. I'm going to use 2 of them. And of course, I'm using some hot glue. My dear friends, if you enjoyed this video and you like what you see, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your support means so much. And giving this video a big thumbs up helps more than you know. I have plenty of exciting content coming your way, so don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And like I said before, I'm also going to be distressing the second frame. I have some more hearts. I'm going to go ahead and distress them, and then I'm going to be gluing them inside the picture frame that we are creating. I also want to remind you, today's video is part of an amazing collaboration. You'll find the playlist and the link to these talented creators in my description box. Be sure to check them out and let them know that I send you. They have tons of inspiration waiting for you. And here it is. This is all coming together. I also have some jewel cord. I made a bow off camera. I also have a flower and some leaf that I'm going to be adding, and this is it. Let me know your thoughts. this beautiful plaque, I'm gonna be adding some wooden beads to this jute twine. And this is gonna be a quick and easy DIY. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put this back together. I'm gonna go ahead and staple it in just the same way that I came from the dollar store. And once that is done, with a little bit of hot glue, I'm gonna glue these wooden beads in place. I don't want them to move. And I also have this beautiful love plaque, also of course from Dollar Tree, like I said before. And the only thing I'm gonna do is add plenty of hot glue right here in the back, and I will be putting it on the plaque, and this is it. Nice and simple, yet so beautiful. Leave me in the comment section what you think about this DIY, and let me know if you would add anything else to it. And final DIY, I'm gonna take this plaque and I am going to start decorating it. I took whatever was left of 2 of my acrylic paints and I added a little bit of water, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix both of them together. Once done, I went on and I did 2 coats of this watered down paint. But before I start painting this little tag here left some residue, so I'm sanding it down. Okay, so I'm not happy with the result, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of this acrylic paint without being watered down. So I started dabbing the paint with this dabber brush only because the texture I did not like. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of brown acrylic paint just to make it look a little bit distressed. So I'm going to come in with this melted chocolate acrylic paint and I'm going to distress the entire heart. So I took all these 3 hearts and I used the same melted chocolate acrylic paint, and then with a wipey I went and I cleaned the excess paint. So now with some more hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue all 3 of them in front of this other bigger heart. Look at how beautiful. This is gonna turn out absolutely stunning. And now I'm going to use different kinds of ribbons to create a bow. I also have a pre-made bow that I used from a different project and I didn't like it, so I removed it. But I'm going to go ahead and use it for this DIY. So I just took some more hot glue and I'm gluing it right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other bow. I think this is called mash. Correct me in the comments section if I'm not correct. I had some of it left over and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the entire trim of this beautiful heart, only because I thought that there was something missing and I want to make it look like it is completely finished. And now for more wooden beads, I'm gonna go ahead and create the hanger to hang it up on the wall. And this is it for this DIY. I am so happy that you decided to stop by. If you are coming from one of the other channels, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my projects. I am hoping that you do consider subscribing if you have not done so. In this channel, I love doing budget-friendly DIYs. I love thrift flips, trash to treasure, and I do a lot of DIYs with items from Dollar Tree. And if this is something you like, I hope you do consider subscribing. And like that, I can see you in my next video.